with main function. So let's get started. Do not waste our time. So for starting a new project, we have to click on new file, project, and console application. And just for sake of information, we are adding a new project, that is adding numbers. Right, so let's discuss a little bit about main function. The main function is part of every C program. C permit different forms of main statement. The following forms are allowed. Let's see how many forms are allowed in C. The main function is part of every C program. So permitted functions are main, int main, void main, main void, void main int main void. So the empty pair of parentheses indicates that the function has no argument. This may be explicitly indicated by using the keyword void. Inside the parentheses, we may also specify the keyword int or void before the word main. The keyword void means that the function does not return any information to the operating system, and int means that the function returns the information to the operating system. Right, so if I use the void here instead of int, just like that, then we should remove this statement from our main function. So just like that, we should remove the argument as well from the parenthesis. So this form of main function is still valid, and we can also remove the void as well, and it is still considered as void. Right, so for the sake of simplicity, we are using the simple main function, not using the int main or int void. By the way, we can use the int and void, but for the not to make any confusion in the program, so just I'm removing that keyboard. Right, so let's create a simple program for adding two numbers, and we will discuss each and everything one by one in this program. So comments start in C uh, using double slash, or we can use the forward slash and star. Anything between these star and forward slash should be considered as comment. If you want single line comment, you can just double forward slash and write your comment. Right, so this is the program. We are writing to add two numbers. Just for the information, C is case sensitive language, and C does make difference between uppercase and lowercase letters, but the comments are just ignored by the compiler, so we leave the comment whatever it is written, but we should not use the uppercase letter in C programming language. It is advisable that we should use lowercase letter in our programming language. Okay, so we use sometimes uppercase letter, but that is limited to the symbolic constant. We will discuss about that later in upcoming videos. Okay, so just leave that topic as of now, and we are just adding two numbers. assign the value in the program. Printf and percentile. Percentile D is no format specified. It does indicate that we should print the number as decimal, right? And percentile F is also a format specify what it it is displaying that number should be in the amount is in format of floating point number, right? So amount is floating point number and its format specified is percent %f. So here we can also fix the length as well, like suppose that we are adding two floating point numbers 10.7 plus 150.5 and it will give 161 point point 12 around. So we can say that it's a total uh, six number. Okay, right? In total is six and plus point two in decimal. Right? So we can specify the format length as well. So I'm giving the 6.2 and total in six places. What right side two decimal places. Right? So let's see what the output of this program. So first of all we need to compile this program. So here is the option to compile, or even though we can press F9 for compiling the program. But if you are new to our channel and you are watching this video first time and you might get confused what is this ID and where I write this program. So this is the IDE tab C++, and you can download it from Google. Search for tab C++ for free. And IDE means integrated development environment. Basically it has a couple of advantages in writing program. It has the advantage to write the program faster and accurately, and it also helps us to identify the errors while typing in. If you write the program in notepad or somewhere else, there are lots of errors to be happen, and notepad do not have capability to suggest you for spellings and typographical errors. So that is the advantage of IDE. That's why we use. Let's say this program and it says confirm, right? So you can see that our program has been compiled successfully and zero errors, zero warning. And now run the program. We cannot run the C program directly on computer. First of all, you need to compile your program in machine readable code, so it can be run on the computer. So operating system usually runs the machine readable code. So compiler has converted our program in machine readable code. So now it is easy to compile it directly. Let's do it. So you can see that this is the output showing on the screen, but it's not formatted. So let's make it correct. Like it's confusable because new line character is not inserted. Now we have made the changes in our program, so now we supposed to compile it again because we made the changes. If we run it directly without compiling it, it will give the old result. Let's see. Yes, it is producing the old result. So now compile it again because we have modified our program. Now run the program again. So you can see that the numbers is printing successfully, right? So here is the 100 assigned to the number, and just okay, this was the typographical error. It's supposed to be format is specified supposed to be put in front of 6.2. That's why output was not showing correctly. Now I have made and compiled it again. That was data error, and run it again. Now you can see that the uh, program is showing the correct output. No error, everything is perfect. So now let's discuss the program line by line. So first two lines, you can see that hash include stdio.h is um, preprocessor directive. It directs the compiler to include the header file. These are the header file. stdio.h is header file .h, and it contains the standard input output functions. Okay, and hash include stdliv.h is also another header file. It includes some other functions for as well, and we will discuss about them later for in upcoming videos. So these are not necessary in starting, but by default it has been included in the program. But if you are writing long and complex program, and we need to include certain functions and files from the library that is already been part of C program, so we need to use that functions and files in our program. That's why we have to include that in our program. That is how it is showing here. Hash include means we are instructing the compiler to include this file, standard input output file, right? So fourth line is comment. Whatever written in forward slash and star is considered as comment till the end of the star and forward slash, and single line comment can be added using the double forward slash. And the seventh line is showing the main is our function, and every C program has one main function. We cannot avoid main function from C program, and we have one and only one main function in every C program. If we use more than one main function, then our compiler might get confused where is the starting point of the program. So one and only main function one main function is necessary for every C program. So next you can see the words number and amounts are variable names that are used to store the numeric data. The numeric data may be either integer or in the form of real. C, all variables should be declared. In C language, all variables should be declared to tell the compiler what the variable names are and what type of data they hold. The variables must be declared before they are used. Uh, so in line 8 and 9, we have been declared the variable, but though no value was assigned to them. So first number is integer type variable, and amount is floating point type variable. So here in line number 11, we are seeing that the number assigned the value 100. Here it is not called the equal sign, is basically assignment operator in C. So we should not consider this as number is equal to 100. This is wrong. This is basically assignment operator, and 100 value is assigning to the variable number, and same goes here. We are adding two floating point numbers and assigning the value in amount, because amount is the floating point variable, uh, and it is called the assignment statement. Every assignment statement must be end with semicolon. So here you can see that semicolon at the end of the statement. So every statement in C must be end with semicolon, and last two lines 15 and 16 are output statements, and here printf function is the output function. Whatever we write inside the function in formatted string, it will produce the result on screen. Here you can see percent %d is format specify. It tells the compiler to write the number variable in the form of integer. So number is decimal integer, and the second percentile 6.2f is telling the compiler to print the amount in form of floating point number. So this is all about the program, and here is the closing braces ends our program. So we can see that our C program runs line by line. First we assign starting of the we declared the variable. So these, you might have confusion that these two lines why don't have semicolon at the end, because these are not the statement. So we should not use semicolon at the end of these lines, no, first and second, because this is the just instruction to the compiler to include these header files from the library. That's all. These are not the statement. These are not executable statements. Executable statements are here. These are the executable statement. We declare the variable name, we assign the value, we add the add two numbers and assign the value amount, and then print the result on screen. That's all. This is the statement. So if you have any question or query, feel free to comment. Like, if you feel uh, this video is value for you, like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family to learn about coding. And this tutorial is starting from the scratch. If you are the beginner, we are explaining each and everything one by one, and I hope you will learn each and everything in C. Watch all the video from starting. If you skip my first video, go there on uh, channel, and over there a playlist for programming in C. So you can find the videos over there. That's all. So in next video we will discuss some more complex programs and discuss some new features in that program. Right, that's all for now. Happy coding. If you find any value with this video, please like and subscribe for, and have a good day. 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 Have a good day.